Most drones work great outdoors. That changes the moment you enter a basement. Low light, limited texture, almost no visual reference. This is where a lot of smaller drones start losing stability. But the Neo 1 handled this environment surprisingly well. Slow movement mattered here, not speed. Every doorway, every turn, every descent into darkness removes options. The goal indoors isn't aggressive flying. It's maintaining control long enough to gather information and keep moving. Even with minimal reference points, the Neo 1 stayed predictable and controllable through most of the structure. That's what makes indoor flying different. You're not just flying the drone, you're constantly managing margin.